Okay, here we are again, YouTube channel Cooper's Automotive. Dan figured this one out. There's many YouTube videos on this, but if you're going to bypass it, there's a right and wrong way to do it. And this is the best way in our world to do it. Ford Fusion SE, AC cycling off and on. Code comes up, evap temperature sensor problem. You look at the PID for it on the on-car OTC or whatever scanner you have, showed 30 degrees, so yeah, obviously it's going to cycle. To repair this car, you have to pull the entire dash out to do it in 6.5 hours. Nobody's doing that. Maybe the dealer, I don't even know. But here's the right repair. As you see now, we've got 78 degrees on it instead of minus 30. The AC's cold, it's working. Compressor's running. If you put a resistor in line, compressor went all the way and freeze up. So here's what he did. First, I guess we'll go to the wires underneath. Right underneath the glove box. Pull the glove box out. You're going to see a blue wire, which is your signal return back to your computer, correct?
Purple.
Purple wire back to your computer, and then you solder that in.
Yeah.
And your gray and
blue.
Gray with blue stripe, I think it is actually, is that your 5-volt ref?
Yeah, it's the reference voltage.
That's your 5-volt ref. We don't cut that. We just spliced into that Scotch lock it. Soldered the wires on in. Then he made a connector, which you can buy these with heat shrink and computer terminal ends. He soldered it all in, heat shrink them all together, nice and pretty. All right. Then he proceeded to take a stepper drill right here. If I can get a picture of that. Put it in the duct right down there. See the hole? Then he notched it out correctly, so it's going to actually read temperature just like the other one did. Then the rest of the cycle like it's supposed to. And he installs it and twist and lock this in. Then obviously this was the airbag we took out. There's your temperature now that it's in there, 62. Alright, so this is going to work like it's supposed to from the factory. So there's your AC cycling. AC won't get cold. Compressor cycling, 2009 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. If you're going to do it right.